Okay, everybody clap your hands to the music. Come on.
Thank you, Mumbo. That was the white pepper 2 to surprise you. Okay, Saki, do you want big number or small number? Very big number. Give me a number between 60 and 80. Choose one. 5 plus 4 equals 2. Go, Tom.
Okay, come on, Tom. What is that? Number 7. And is that number 9? Wow.
Oh, super genius. Thank you very much. Now, we're going to give him another face to play with it. And let's see. How many? 2. Okay. There is something is hidden here. Nobody knows about it except me and the train. Go, Tom. Wow. Now, I need someone to come here and do the same thing. Okay, you can come. You can come. Come this side. See, it happened this side. It was in the middle. I worked out the shuffle. Oh. Are you okay? Are you fine? Yeah? Good, good. Okay. Now, tell me, what do you want to put it? Here or here or here? It was here already. So we have to change it. Either here or here. Okay, get it here. Now, take your sister and go back to your seat, please. Thank you very much. Tom, you can come now and find the middle hole.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Fantastic! Bravo! Well done to the bird. Alright. Now, usually, most of the children, they spend a lot of time solving a puzzle. And it can take them like a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. It depends how hard is the puzzle, right? The bird, what do you think? How long it can take them? 10 seconds. Okay. Now, you all agree about the 10 seconds, right? Saki, you said 10 seconds. What do you think? 1 hour. Digitas, 4. 4 days or hours? Hours. Hours. Now I'm so confused between 10 seconds, 1 hour, and 4 hours. We'll find out with the bird. Yeah.
The blue and gold macaws, like Tom, is one of the third largest parrots in the world. And he weighs about 870 grams. I think you're right. Yes, come on, time. Shake the time. 12 seconds.
Woo! Almost. Almost, huh? Okay, now we'll give him his toy, the bicycle.